how to embed Canva code into Squarespace. So here I'll just go to Canva and get my design. This is a sample design that I'll use for the sake of this tutorial. And once we have our design open, we will click on share here in the top right corner, then choose the three dots at the bottom for more and choose this option, embed. So we want to get this HTML embed code here for our design. So just copy this code and then go to Squarespace, click on website, and this will load up your website like so. Here we want to choose edit, and we want to add a section here between my header and my first section. So just click on add section and then choose add a blank section. It's going to look like this. And once we hover over it, you will see this option to add a block. So just click on add block here and we will choose the option for code. So click on code here, double click on this panel, and we're simply going to delete this code here by holding the backspace, and I'm going to paste my code that I copied from Canva. And as you can see, now I have successfully added Canva code or Canva design onto Squarespace. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.